A photo submission contest is a great way to reward the creativity of your fans. In this Mother's Day photo contest, we ask participants to submit a picture they took with their mom. Let's start by typing in a title: Mother's Day Photo Contest. Next, we'll paste an image and some details about the contest. Perfect! Let's submit this and continue. A few basic questions have been added for us. We can edit them and remove the ones we don't need. Let's add a new question so participants can upload their picture. We type in your picture, and we also add additional instructions. Next, we select Image Upload as the question type. Let's save this and add a second question asking participants to tell us what makes their mom special. We select Text Box as the question type, and Free Text on multiple lines as the data type. Good! Let's continue to the preview step. Here, we see what the contest will look like once it's installed on our page. Let's fill in the form to make sure it works as expected. Great! Our answers were recorded successfully. Now, let's continue to the last step. On the Publish page, we have different options to promote the poll. We'll skip this step for now and go have a look at the results page. Here, we can see all the pictures that were submitted and download them in a zip file. From the Participants page, we can export all participants' data to Excel and draw a random winner. And that's it! Don't forget to check out our next tutorial on how to make a voting contest with the pictures we received.